Louisiana is widely recognized as one of the most vibrant and culturally rich cities in the United States. From the city's unique blend of French, Spanish, and African American cultures to its world-famous cuisine, New Orleans is truly a melting pot of flavors, traditions, and experiences. One of the most iconic aspects of New Orleans culture is its culinary scene, which is centered around its many world-renowned restaurants. Whether you're in the mood for traditional Creole cuisine, fresh seafood, or innovative contemporary dishes, New Orleans has a restaurant to satisfy every craving. One of the most famous restaurants in New Orleans is Antoine's, which has been serving classic Creole cuisine since 1840. This legendary restaurant is known for its elegant decor, impeccable service, and mouth-watering dishes such as oysters Rockefeller, crawfish étouffée, and baked Alaska. Antoine's has been a favorite dining destination for everyone from presidents to Hollywood celebrities, and its rich history and iconic dishes make it a must-visit for any food lover. Another must-visit restaurant in New Orleans is Commander's Palace, which is located in the picturesque Garden District. This award-winning restaurant is known for its sophisticated atmosphere, impeccable service, and innovative Creole cuisine. Some of the restaurant's most popular dishes include turtle soup, goldfish amandine, and bread pudding soufflé. Commander's Palace also offers an extensive wine list and a decadent Sunday jazz brunch that is not to be missed. If you're in the mood for fresh seafood, you can't go wrong with a visit to Acme Oyster House. This lively restaurant has been serving up some of the freshest oysters, crawfish, and shrimp in the city since 1910. Acme Oyster House is known for its casual atmosphere, friendly service, and delicious dishes such as char-grilled oysters, seafood gumbo, and paboys. For those looking for a more contemporary dining experience, Herb Saint is a must-visit. This critically acclaimed restaurant is known for its innovative, French-inspired cuisine that incorporates locally sourced ingredients. Some of the restaurant's most popular dishes include fried oysters with chili garlic mayonnaise, braised pork cheeks with creamy grits, and chocolate pâte de crème with salted caramel. Herb Saint also has an extensive wine list and a chic, modern atmosphere that makes it the perfect spot for a date night or a night out with friends. If you're looking for a more laid-back dining experience, check out Cochon Butcher. This casual eatery is located in the trendy warehouse district and is known for its delicious sandwiches, charcuterie boards, and house-made sausages. Some of the restaurant's most popular dishes include the muffuletta, the cochon de lait sandwich, and the boudin. Cochon Butcher also has a great selection of craft beers and a relaxed, friendly atmosphere that makes it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. In conclusion, New Orleans is truly a food lover's paradise, with an abundance of world-class restaurants that offer something for everyone. From classic Creole cuisine to innovative contemporary dishes, The city's culinary scene is as diverse and exciting as the city itself. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned local, be sure to explore the many amazing restaurants that New Orleans has to offer.